Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Fiteye 4K dash cam, a 3-channel system designed to cover the front, rear, and cabin of your car. This dash camera records in a combination of 2K for the front and 1080p for both the cabin and rear, delivering crystal clear footage no matter the time of day. Thanks to f1.5 large aperture lenses and advanced STA-RVIS optics, this camera captures sharp video even in low light conditions or tunnels. And the 160-degree ultra-wide-angle view ensures that you get maximum coverage, minimizing blind spots. The Fiteye dash cam comes equipped with built-in GPS, allowing you to track your driving route, speed, and location in real time. Dual-band Wi-Fi support on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz means you can stream and download videos quickly using the Fiteye app, so managing your footage is seamless and efficient. Another standout feature is the integrated G sensor, which automatically locks important recordings in case of a collision, keeping critical evidence safe. With the included 64GB memory card, expandable up to 256GB, you get continuous loop recording without worrying about running out of space. Parking protection is also handled smartly. The dashcam offers a 24-hour parking guard with low-power time-lapse recording. If any vibrations are detected while your car is parked, the system triggers a 15-second automatic recording, ensuring your car is monitored even when you're away. Installation is straightforward, and the discreet, low-profile design with a 3-inch IPS display fits neatly behind the rearview mirror without obstructing your view. The package comes with a user manual and a 12-month warranty, and Fiteye offers 24/7 customer support, so any installation or operational issues are easily resolved. Overall, this 4K dash cam offers high-quality video, comprehensive coverage, and intelligent features that make it an ideal choice for safety-conscious drivers or rideshare professionals. If you're looking for a dash camera that combines sharp 4K visuals, smart connectivity, and reliable vehicle protection, the Fiteye 4K dash cam is definitely worth checking out. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews here on Product Critique.